Hey, virtual students. Today in my classes, the in-person classes, today and possibly tomorrow, the students will be sharing out their their career slides that they made. You guys, I just couldn't find a way to have you share them easily that would work, with you being virtual. I thought about maybe having you film them and things like that, but that turns into a lot of technical problems. So I've come up with a short alternate assignment. It's not really fair since you don't get to present and show your slides to the class and see all theirs. It's not real fair that I put a lot of work on you just because you don't get the opportunity to do that. So today you just have to answer this simple hypothetical question. The question is, if you had to choose, would you rather have a career that you love that pays an average salary, so you would have an average house, average car, average vacations, or would you choose a career that you hate that pays millions of dollars? So answer and explain and write at least 4 sentences. So that's 4 sentences, a short, brief paragraph there. So the essence of this question is simply, are you looking for a career that you're highly interested in, that you enjoy getting up and going into every day, or are you looking to make a lot of money? There's no wrong answer here. Hopefully, in real life, you would have a mixture of both. But for this question, I want you to just stay with if you had to choose between one. So you either have that job that you love, that you're excited about, but you're not going to get rich, or you have a job that you don't like at all, but hey, you're making a ton of money. If you had to choose between the two, which one would you choose and why? So all you have to do for today is just simply type your opinion in the box there. About 4 sentences will be great, and then click submit, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Should be a pretty easy assignment today. Thanks. I look forward to reading your answers. I have a feeling when posed with this question, a lot of you are going to want to take the job you like and forego the money. But hey, some of you are probably like me and would take the money if you got that offer. So type your answer in, and I will talk to you guys later. See you. Oh, also, don't forget, if you have any questions with anything, send me an email or a private comment on the Google Classroom. And don't forget to click turn in when you're done typing this. See you.